Do you want to enhance your skills in a truly professional environment? Do you want to be part of a team that is making a real difference in psychology, counseling, and education? IMAHRKMI is expanding its team, and we are looking for passionate, dedicated, and professionally skilled individuals to join us. This is more than just a position. It's an opportunity to grow. By joining IMAHRKMI, you will work with both online and in-person patients, including international clients, gaining valuable real-world experience. You will also have the opportunity to mentor and guide new students through internships, helping shape the next generation of professionals. As part of our team, you will actively participate in online classes, workshops, webinars, and short courses, and even contribute to organizing and teaching these professional events. This allows you to expand your reach, build professional visibility, and connect with people around the world. We are looking for team members who not only have knowledge, but can apply it practically. At IMAHRKMI, you will strengthen your professional profile, sharpen your skills, and continue learning through every new program, workshop, and training opportunity. Best of all, you can build your future from home while working with an international professional team. If you are ready to apply your knowledge, guide students and patients, and grow your career in a meaningful way, this opportunity is for you. Register now by visiting our website, IMAHRKMI.life, or contact us directly at admin@IMAHRKMI.life. Join IMAHRKMI Institute of Modern Applied Research in Human Knowledge and Mental Insights, New York, USA. Develop your skills. Grow your career from home. Make a real difference. Join our professional team today.